Okay, this is an updated tour of the progress of 3206 East Ave. This is going to be a paved double wide driveway that'll be going in sometime this week, like Tuesday or Wednesday. And we have landscaping there. And we got the lawn in. There's my beautiful wife and son. Hi. There's an upper driveway to get to the back. You gonna follow me? And 3206 East Ave. Our front door opens up to the kitchen. You see the lights are in, the granite's in. Just doing a final cleaning. Got a pantry cabinet there. Pantry. Have a gas stove and oven, cooktop, microwave with exhaust fan, island sink, stainless steel dishwasher, ice maker, nice fridge. And then this opens up to, there's an eat-in here with, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 spots on the island for counter. Linen closet here as you walk in. And then it's open to bay window dining room and a good sized living room that looks out on the back deck and the woods. This is a composite deck, never will need to be stained, and the railings are copper. And it looks down to the bottom, backwoods, which opens up to a park back there. And then there's also stairs that go down to the driveway, and you can get out to the park. The 150-year-old barn is not included. We're restoring that right now. And we come, that's the hall door to go down to the basement. And on this level we have 3 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 1. These are everything in this house is new. It was gutted to bare wall. There's a double closet here and it has a light over the closet. And these doors are 6-panel solid core doors. They're not those chintzy hollow ones. We got a laundry room here with a washer and dryer provided. Dryer is coming in, just staying that cabinet. Upper cabinets for storing laundry stuff. Then you come downstairs here to the first floor bath. There'll be a mirror in here. And you can see there's double sinks with double vanity with the drawers in the middle. We have linen closet here. And there is a pocket door here. So if somebody was taking a shower, they could close the door off and you could still come in and use the sinks. Okay. You have a full tub and shower. See, the plumbing is all working. Excellent water pressure. Alright, and then we go to bedroom number 2, which is at the back end of the house, which faces north, faces the park and the woods. And again, same size as the front, nice double closet. Each room has a ceiling fan and 4 LED lights. So very energy efficient here. And then we come upstairs to the master. And the master has 2 steps up from the main living level, and has a dimmer. And obviously the scaffold will be moved. We're just doing some final painting on the triangle and caulking up there. And there's a big 60-inch ceiling fan up there. And same type of treatment over here, just a decorative architectural flair. There's a full walk-in closet with a window here with rods and shelving. And LED lights in here. And that faces the road. And you see it's very quiet in here because the walls are spray foamed to 4 inches thick, which is an R30, about an R35 in the walls. Double window there, and then we have a master bath here, stained double vanity, sinks, toilet, looks back towards the park, and then a full tub and shower in here. Also, there's a linen closet here, which will be painted up. And that's the master. Now we go upstairs where there's a second master suite. Up these old-fashioned stairs. Now these will be painted white. Handrails are in. Has a winder up to hardwood floors. And Peggy's doing some final touch-up painting on any mistakes that we had. So this is a TV/den office. It's got 1 window, pretty good size, 3-foot high knee wall, then a knee wall up here to a upstairs bath, has granite sinks, tub and shower unit, toilet, and then a walk-in linen closet. Fixtures. And then this is the upstairs bedroom, which has a beautiful kind of blue-gray color. Faces the road, and then it has 2 closet doors, a desk or dresser nook, and then 2 closet doors with LED lighting inside. And then check out this, it has huge storage down the wall, probably about 10 feet beyond the closet, which could be storage for Christmas decorations, holiday decorations, potentially luggage, shelving, whatever you want in there. And then the railing here, a cap rail on this is old-fashioned recycled barnwood from the 150-year-old barn out back. Come down, open to the kitchen, and then we're gonna go downstairs, and I'm gonna show you some of the features of the 100-year-old basement, which is pretty amazing because the basement has almost 9-foot high ceilings. So you can see it has old-fashioned basement walls, but you can see we have a all new electrical panel. House is wired. Every room has Cat 5 enhanced, Cat 6 jacks labeled. We already have the high-speed internet installed, and we will have the a data switch in here too. This is an excellent storage room, which this is all our stuff right now, which will be cleaned out in the next week. And then you come out here to the old-fashioned basement, which we've put all new piping for ductwork for our heating, all new plumbing, all new wiring, and all new PEX plumbing for water supply. We also put a laundry tub sink in here, so you'd have a sink down in the basement to use. And brand new furnace, 95% efficient. HEPA air filter there. That's a really high efficient furnace. You can tell because it's vented by PVC. And then here you have a high efficient on-demand tankless water heater, which means you will never run out of hot water. You can take as long of a shower as you want. This is kind of a bonus room up here. Nice and dry basement. Stacked stone walls. And again, this will all be cleaned out. All the construction remnants that we use right up to the end. Old-fashioned concrete sink that we're saving. Be out back. Then you come out here, and this is a nice little bonus room. And I think this will be a fantastic this would be a fantastic like playroom or rec room, or I think even a wonderful movie room. You'd have plenty of room in between these two windows. You have maybe 12 to 15 feet between these two windows. That would be a great place for a big screen. This is a utility closet that sends utilities out to the barn. So that would be a locked cabinet. We have this room here, which make a fantastic workshop, has high ceilings, and it's right off the back of the garage. And you can see the room sizes on the plan online, but again, it's probably about 25 feet deep and maybe about 12 feet wide. So it's a pretty good sized room. Has a window and a man door to the outside. And this fire door comes to the garage. And the garage is an oversized 2-car garage with LED lights. Garage door opener. And you can see it's all taped. And it'll be ceilings done. And it'll be painted in the next couple days here. It's one of the last things we always do in a house is we paint the garage. You can see it's all taped and mudded and ready to go. Here is another fire door with a lock. And this takes you right to the stairs. That takes you upstairs. So I'm going to take you out the back door now, so you can kind of see what the back deck and the back of the house looks like. So this is the deck. Under here, we've left this as a patio area where you could put a hot tub in. Those are the windows under the basement there where we're talking about having a movie room. This is the old barn that we're saving, and we have a small pole barn on after it, and it opens up to the woods. And this is the deck right here. And that's my son who's welcoming you to this wonderful house. And this is the neighborhood here. This is fall here in the upstate New York. That park is a public park, and it hooks up to a snowmobile trail that goes for 100 miles in any direction. So very peaceful, quiet, very nice, safe neighborhood. Any questions, please feel free to text or call me. And hope to talk to you soon. Thanks for sharing our tour.